Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox black screen problem. First click here and go to background apps. Background apps, and after that turn off this option and then go back, and after that open task manager and then click on the memory to see application that is using your memory, like Google Chrome. Right click and end task, wallpaper engine and Steam client. That's it. Just close all the applications that you don't need will play in, because it may take your memory or something like that. And after that just go back and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now after trying all the solutions that you can find, just go here and go to apps and features, and then type here Roblox, uninstall it, and then go back, go to command prompt and type here cd app data / local, click enter. Cd app data / local. I know what's happening. cd app data / local, and that's it. Now type this code, this command, and then click enter, and then type Y and click enter, and after that Roblox will be completely removed from your computer, and then go install it again. I hope that can help you. See you in the next video.